Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this problem, which is number of subarrays of zeros, in which we are given an array with of length n, which have the inputs zeros and ones, and we are supposed to find out the number of subarrays of zero. So how are we supposed to do that? So let us check the first test case, which is we have n equals 4 and the outputs are 0, 0, 1 and 0. So if we see carefully, we see this is one of the subarray, this is one of the subarray, and this is the one, and here we get another subarray. So yeah, number of subarrays would be 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. So we get an output of 4. I hope you understood. And let us look at the second test case, which has n equals 4 and outputs are 0. Inputs are zeros. So yeah, there is here we are supposed to use a formula which is the counting number of occurrences of the number, which is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. All right. For example, if we iterate through these three subarrays, all right, how many possible subarrays are possible in this subarray? So it would be 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which is nothing but 4. 4 gets cancelled out to 2 and 6. So 6 possible subarrays are possible here. So, and if we consider this one, so we have, means if we consider these 4 zeros, so we get the output as 4 multiplied by 4 plus 1 divided by 2, which is nothing but 10. And that's what the output of this test case is. So let me code and explain. We will be using variable answer to, to return the actual value of this function, and we'll be using the count variable to count the number of zeros and iterating linearly through the array and checking if the array element is 0. So if ARR is 0, then we increment the count, else what do? We initialize the count to 0, but before we have to calculate the possible number of subarrays in the from the count. So as I said, the answer would be count multiplied by count plus 1 divided by 2, and we will be using parentheses in order to give precedence. Yes, and yep, at last, if there is no non-zero element present, all right, so in that case itself we will do the same thing. I hope you understand, and simply return the answer. Let's compile and run. Let's submit our code. And yeah, we have solved this problem pretty easily. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.